Just a quick one to look at this map we talking about, the rectification. So that service public NSW base map is a WMTS service. You mentioned bringing it as a WM service. I don't know if that would affect how it gets located, but anyway, WMTS service. Now the actual map is Occidental, which is Occidental Minerals in in reports. I think it's in here, isn't it? No, hang on. 1 second. Alright, cool. So I downloaded the one that I'd uploaded to you just to make sure there was no confusion about versions of this. So if we drag it in, and it says uses Geo's different for the data frame transformations, click on transformations, and then here we've got GCS Australian 84, and it says WGS 84. You can do one of these, AGD 84 to GDA 94 5, NTV2 plus GDA 94 to WGS 84. So that will basically go from AGD to GDA and also from GDA to WGS, but there's not much difference between GDA and WGS. Click OK, then close, then zoom to layer, and if we turn it on and off, it isn't suffering from that problem that you seem to be suffering from. Like, it all looks like it lines up. So that point here is lining up, that point there is lining up. If I zoom in a bit more, turn it on and off, it all seems to be lining up pretty nicely. I mean, there's a little bit of a discrepancy you know, here, but it's what, like 30 meters. So yeah, so it seems to work for me. So I would suggest that you try adding that as a WTMS service, just in case, like remove that one rather than adding as WMS service. And then in your workspace, when you bring the other thing in and it says transformations, just go into the view, data frame properties, and then just make sure that on this, so if you're wherever you are, go to the coordinate system and go to transformations and make sure that you've got a WGS 84 to a GCS 84 to WGS 1984 or GDA 94. If that makes sense. So sometimes you'll need to, depending on the layer, you'll need to have different ones set up. But basically, you need to make sure that that translation thing is set up properly. Otherwise, it's not gonna do it. Now there is actually a pack that you can download if you don't already have it, which is, I'm not sure if it's on this machine actually, which is like the ArcMap. It's not on this. There's like a bunch of ArcMap. Here we go. Look, coordinate system. That ArcGIS coordinate systems for data Windows 1081. So that's got all the coordinate systems in it. So if you don't have that file, I can send it to you. Just let me know. All right, I'll leave it there.